Every great success story begins long before the world takes notice. It starts in the quiet moments, in the small, seemingly insignificant decisions made every single day. The truth is, success isn't a sudden event, it's a process. A slow, steady transformation fueled by the tiny habits we choose to repeat. Think about the most successful people you know. What sets them apart? It's not just talent, luck, or intelligence. It's their habits, the small actions they take consistently, even when no one is watching. The habits that, over time, shape their identity, their achievements, and ultimately, their destiny. But there is the challenge: most people never stick with new habits long enough to see real change. They get motivated, start strong, and then, somewhere along the way, they fall back into old patterns. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you break the cycle and build habits that actually last? That's exactly what we're going to explore. This isn't about drastic changes or overnight success. It's about mastering the art of small, consistent actions, the kind of actions that seem insignificant today but compound into extraordinary results over time. Because the reality is, the smallest habits often have the biggest impact. So, if you're ready to take control of your life, to break free from bad habits, and to build routines that lead to success, then keep listening. Because by the end of this, you have a clear roadmap for transforming your habits, and in doing so, transforming your future. Success is not built on dramatic changes but on small, consistent actions. Imagine a plane taking off from Los Angeles, heading toward New York. If the pilot shifts the nose just a few degrees south, the plane won't land in New York, it will end up in Washington, D.C. Such a small change, almost invisible at takeoff, leads to a completely different destination. The same happens in life. Tiny habits, repeated over time, shape your destiny. We often think we need massive action to change our lives: strict diets, intense workouts, or extreme productivity routines. But the truth is, success doesn't come from one grand gesture. It comes from tiny, repeated behaviors that compound over time. Imagine a block of ice sitting at 25 degrees Fahrenheit. You keep adding warmth, 26 degrees, 27, 28, but nothing happens. Then, at 32 degrees, the ice suddenly melts. That's how habits work. Change isn't visible at first, but with persistence, transformation becomes inevitable. Habits are the invisible architecture of our daily lives. Your life today is the result of your past habits. Your future will be shaped by the habits you choose today. Question is, how do we create good habits and break bad ones? It all starts with identity. Most people try to change their results, lose weight, get rich, be productive, but real change happens when you focus on who you want to become, not just what you want to achieve. If you want to get fit, don't just aim to work out, become the kind of person who never misses a workout. If you want to be a writer, don't just set a goal to write, become the kind of person who writes every day. The lasting change is to make habits so small they are impossible to ignore. To start exercising? Commit to an hour at the gym. With one push-up. Want to read more? Start with one page. Micro habits might seem insignificant, but they create momentum. Each small action is a vote for the kind of person you wish to become. These votes add up, and suddenly, you are that person. Habits don't just form by repetition alone. Follow a pattern: grabbing, response, and reward. Understand this loop, you can reprogram your habits. You want to build a reading habit. You'll be leaving a book on your pillow. Is the desire to unwind. Once is opening the book and reading a page. Reward? Of relaxation or knowledge gained. Designing your environment to support positive habits, you make success effortless. Side, breaking bad habits isn't about willpower, it's about making them unattractive and difficult. Reduce screen time? Social media apps from your home screen. Cut junk food? Do it in your kitchen. Make habits invisible, and they lose their power. It comes not from motivation but from systems. Without motivation, you will fail. Motion fluctuatis. Sustain success. I makes good habits easy and bad habits hard. Create them that nudges you toward success every day. Broke feel slow. Do results right away. Just like an ice cube melting at 32 degrees, breakthrough moments come from accumulated effort. Consistent. Votes for the person you want to become. You will look back and realize that those tiny habits have built a life of greatness. And where patience becomes your greatest ally. A world obsessed with instant gratification, quick fixes, overnight success, and immediate results. But, lasting success is built on a different timeline. A bamboo tree. It grows underground, its roots spreading deep and wide. From this, it looks like nothing is happening. Suddenly, in just a few weeks, it shoots up feet into the sky. Habits work. Consistent efforts lay the foundation, and one day, the results explode into reality. Most people quit because they don't see immediate progress. The gym for a week, see no change, and give up. For a few days, get no readers, and stop. But this, success is not about speed, it's about persistence. Today may not show results tomorrow, but it is never wasted. And compounds, even when you don't see it. Keep going. Let's talk about the power of tracking your habits. It's measured gets improved. To exercise consistently, track your workouts. To save money, track your expenses. The simple act of recording progress builds awareness and motivation. Consistent action creates momentum, and momentum is what turns small actions into lifelong habits. Let's be real, perfection is impossible. You will miss a day. Break a habit. Life will get in the way. That's okay. Key is never missing twice. A missed workout won't ruin your fitness, but missing twice starts a new habit, the habit of skipping. If you slip, get back on track immediately. Success is not about never falling, it's about how quickly you get back up. The people who succeed in life aren't the most talented or the most disciplined. They are simply the ones who show up every day, doing the small things that others ignore. While others chase shortcuts, they stay consistent. While others give up, they keep going. So the question is, who do you want to become? Your habits are shaping your future every single day. Will you let them work against you, or will you take control and design the life you dream of? The choice is yours. The work is simple, but only you can do it. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch as tiny habits transform your life in ways you never imagined. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we see you in the next video.